I'm Dr. Manik Hiranandani. I'm a physician. I have been using a form of yoga called Gyan Yoga to help my patients to breathe better. At the moment, we are facing a ghastly pandemic, which is affecting people all over the world. And many people are struggling because the availability of hospitals, medical care, and oxygen is all becoming scarce. I have used the asanas, which I'm just going to show you, 3 simple asanas, which can help each one of you to breathe better. I would advise that after you see what I'm doing, each of you does these asanas every day until you build up a spare capacity in your lung. Doing these asanas is very simple. It takes a few minutes every day and can help each of you to build your oxygen capacity to a level where you can withstand the attack of COVID. A normal person holds between 4 to 5 liters of air in their lungs. Out of this, we exchange about 300 to 350 ml in each breath. As a result, it takes about 16 to 18 breaths for each person to be able to change all the air in their lungs. With the techniques I am showing you, we will be able to change up to 800 ml of air per breath, making the turnover of air in the lungs much better, and that can significantly increase your oxygen saturation. I have seen in my patients a rise of 10 to 15% in oxygen saturation after doing the yoga for between half an hour to 1 hour. I'm going to show you 3 introductory asanas here, which you can all do. We have another 21 asanas which we use for concentrating on each specific area of the lung. If you would like to learn more about it, please do visit my website, which is www.gyanyoga.net, to sign up for our courses, and I'll be happy to share the techniques I have found over these years with all of you. I wish you all good health. The first asana I'm going to show you is called diaphragmatic breathing. The diaphragm is a sheet of muscle which separates the abdomen from the chest. If you use the diaphragm, you can get between 800 to 1000 ml of air per breath. I'd like you to stand with your heels about 14 inches apart, your toes about 24 inches apart. Put your hands on your hips, on the bone of the hip like this, with your fingers closed, with a line from the elbow through the fingers going down to the pubic bone over here. Open your mouth and take deep breaths with your mouth with your eyes open. We take a total of 3 breaths. While breathing in, we open our eyes and we open our mouth. While breathing out, we close our eyes and we close the mouth. After taking 3 breaths, put your hands by your side and breathe slowly and deeply through the nose into the belly. In this process, observe in which areas of your lung are you getting enough air and oxygen. In which area are you finding there is a lack of circulation? In which areas are you finding there is a lack of breath? Observe for a period of 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes are up, please repeat the same asana again. I would like you to repeat each asana a total of 3 times with 3 breaths each time, each with a gap of 2 to 3 minutes in between. The second asana I'm going to show you is to open up the chest. You put your hands over your breast, the fingers on either side of the breastbone or sternum. Open your mouth and eyes and breathe in deeply, opening the chest as you do and leaning backward. I will also show you a profile view so that you see as to how much I bend backward. Repeat this asana also 3 times with 3 big breaths. After you have done this for 3 breaths, take a gap for 2 minutes and repeat this asana as well for a total of 3 repetitions. The third asana I'm going to show you is that put your hand behind your back like this, so that your hand is on the shoulder blade. Put the other hand across also on the shoulder blade. Try and keep your elbows as close together as possible. Then, in this position, breathe in deeply with your mouth and eyes open. In this asana, you will find it considerably harder to breathe as compared to the earlier asanas. In this asana, we are closing off the top of the chest and only allowing the air to go into the lower area of the chest over here. In COVID infections, what we have seen from the CT scans of many patients, the prime area which is affected with the COVID is the lower part of the chest, primarily at the back over here. More on the right side than on the left side is the general trend. Doing this asana allows the air and the oxygen to enter these areas of the lung and to use those as well for absorption of oxygen. It also speeds up the recovery process from COVID, which otherwise can take 3 to 6 months for the lesions which have been formed by COVID to clear up. By breathing like this, you considerably speed up that process, often making it half the time. I hope each one of you will do these asanas, and I look forward to hearing from you if you need any help or would like to learn more about other asanas. We have a total of 21 asanas. Each one focuses on a different area of the chest. And by doing all of these, you can considerably increase your lung capacity and build yourself an enormous margin of safety. Good luck to all of you, and I wish you all good health and a safe journey ahead.